Ever wondered if investing is truly within reach for everyone, even if you're just starting out with limited funds and a lot of questions? We live in a world where financial independence is a dream for many, and investing is often seen as the golden ticket. But for beginners, the sheer volume of options, the jargon, and the perceived complexity can feel like trying to navigate a dense jungle without a map. You hear about these big, established brokerage firms, and while they might be great for seasoned pros, do they truly cater to the newbie investor? Today, we're cutting through the noise to focus on a platform that often comes up in conversations about beginner-friendly investing, Ally Invest. Is it the right starting point for your investment journey? Does it offer the tools, support, and affordability that a beginner truly needs? We're going to dive deep into everything Ally Invest has to offer, from its fee structure to its investment options, user experience, and customer support. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Ally Invest can be your reliable ally in the world of investing, or if you should keep searching for a different guide. Let's start by laying the groundwork. What exactly is Ally Invest? Ally Invest is the brokerage arm of Ally Financial, a prominent online-only bank. This integration is a huge selling point, and we'll explore why in a moment. But essentially, Ally Invest offers two main avenues for investors: self-directed trading and robo-portfolios. Self-directed trading, as the name suggests, is for those who want to take the reins themselves. You get to choose individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and bonds. This option gives you maximum control over your portfolio, allowing you to research, select, and manage your investments. For beginners who are eager to learn and be hands-on, this can be a fantastic way to gain experience. Then there are robo-portfolios. This is Ally Invest's automated investing service, perfect for those who prefer a more hands-off approach or are truly new to investing and want professional guidance without the high fees of a traditional financial advisor. With robo-portfolios, you answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, and Ally Invest's algorithms build and manage a diversified portfolio for you. It's like having a digital financial advisor working behind the scenes. Now, let's talk about one of the most critical factors for beginners: cost. Investing shouldn't break the bank, especially when you're just starting. So, how does Ally Invest stack up in terms of fees and account minimums? For self-directed trading, Ally Invest shines brightly here. They offer $0 commission fees on eligible U.S.-listed stocks and ETFs. This is a massive win for beginners, as commission fees can quickly eat into your returns, especially with smaller investment amounts. Imagine you're investing $50 at a time. A $5 commission fee instantly wipes out 10% of your investment. With Ally Invest's commission-free stock and ETF trades, your entire investment goes towards building your portfolio. Options trades come with a competitive fee of 50 cents per contract, which is lower than many competitors. Mutual funds can be commission-free for no-load funds, though some may have charges. Bonds are $1 each with a minimum, and low-priced securities, under $2, have a $4.95 base commission plus 1 cent per share. For the vast majority of beginner investors, focusing on commission-free stocks and ETFs is key, and Ally Invest delivers on that. What about account minimums? For self-directed trading, there's no minimum deposit required to open a cash brokerage account. This is incredibly welcoming for beginners who might only have a small amount to start with, say $50 or $100. This low barrier to entry is a huge advantage, as it allows you to start investing without feeling like you need a substantial sum up front. For margin accounts, there's a $2,000 minimum, but as a beginner, you likely won't be diving into margin trading right away. When it comes to robo-portfolios, the minimum to get started is just $100. This is also very accessible for new investors. And here's where it gets even more interesting. Ally Invest offers a cash-enhanced managed portfolio option where, if 30% of your portfolio is held in cash, you pay no advisory fees. This 30% cash allocation acts as a buffer and earns interest, which can be appealing in volatile markets or if you want some liquidity. If you prefer to have nearly all your money invested, around 98% in the market, then the market-focused managed portfolio charges a very reasonable 0.3% annual advisory fee. To put that into perspective, for every $1,000 invested, you'd pay just $3 per year. These low fees make automated investing a very attractive option for beginners who want professional management without the hefty price tag. So, from a cost and minimum perspective, Ally Invest is undeniably beginner-friendly. But what about the actual investing experience? Is the platform easy to use? Does it offer the right tools and educational resources for someone who's just learning the ropes? Ally Invest generally receives high marks for its user-friendly platform. The website and mobile app are designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. For self-directed trading, you'll find the basic functionalities needed to place trades, conduct basic research, and monitor your account. The mobile app, while perhaps not as robust as some dedicated trading apps for advanced traders, is sufficient for simple trades and checking your portfolio on the go. Watch lists sync smoothly between web and mobile, which is a nice touch. However, it's important to set realistic expectations. While Ally Invest's platform is user-friendly, it's not designed for the most advanced, active traders who require sophisticated charting tools, complex order types, or deep analytical features. For beginners, this simplicity can be a positive, preventing overwhelm. The focus is on straightforward investing, which aligns perfectly with a long-term, buy-and-hold strategy often recommended for new investors. When it comes to research and education, Ally Invest provides a decent amount of content, particularly for passive investors. They offer articles, guides, and FAQs that explain investment concepts in simple terms. This learn-as-you-go approach is beneficial for beginners who are eager to understand the fundamentals. However, if you're looking for extensive, in-depth market analysis, advanced screening tools, or live trading webinars, you might find Ally Invest's offerings a bit more basic compared to some other brokers. For a beginner, though, having access to clear explanations of stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and basic market concepts is often more valuable than being swamped with highly technical data. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.